Good morning, everybody. Heading to a thrift store this morning. Actually, it's not exactly morning. They don't open till 11 o'clock. They're kind of keep weird hours. They just started opening on Saturday, so they used to only be Monday through Friday. But it's kind of, I call it the Dollar Tree of thrift stores. They pick up garage sale leftovers and stuff like that, take donations of stuff. They're a for-profit thrift store though, but they sell everything for $1 or less. So it's kind of a unique little place. I've seen them sell all kinds of things there for $1. Big stuff, little stuff, it doesn't matter what it is. That's just their business model, that's how they do it. So I'll try to get some footage inside of there, and then I'll come back and show you everything I got. All right, we'll see you then. Pink 50, yellow 75, orange 50 cents. Okay. So these are 75% off.
Yellow?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm back home now. I think the video messed up at the first thrift store I went to. I went ahead and went to two. It said something about an error, so I'll have to check that. If there's no video of it, you'll know it before you see this. But I'm pretty sure that I probably didn't get most of it, if any at all. I also went to a second thrift store. I got a couple things at the first one, the one that everything's $1 or less. And I got a couple things at the second one. The second one is it's like a church thrift store. All their proceeds go to helping people pay their bills and stuff like that, and needy folks needing some help and stuff like that. So I haven't been there in a while, and I usually find one or two things there if I don't go there too often. But I'll show you what I got there. All right, so the first thing I got is stuff in this bag. I didn't get this table there. I got this table at a garage sale a couple weeks ago. It's a Scope mobile table. they didn't have the scope that went on. The guy was actually using it. You can see the sawdust in it. He was actually using it as a router table. I'm just gonna keep it for myself. I know it's probably worth a little bit of money, but it makes a good little rolling cart, and it tilts. It's kind of cool. But anyway, the stuff from today. Got this John Deere hat. It says Owner's Edition. It was at the dollar place, so it was $1. Somebody stitched it all the way up, but it looks practically brand new. Don't pass up much stuff that says John Deere on it. Well, I've got a bunch of swimsuits and a dress for the kids. Also got there this weight belt. I haven't looked this weight belt up yet either. It says secure your grip with grippowerpads.com. Don't really know a whole lot about it, but it looks pretty heavy duty, so I'll see what that is. And my wife just got a couple other things, and that's all I got at the first one. And let me grab the other stuff from the second one I went to, and I'll show you that. All right, the second place I went to, got this dress form. It's one of those half ones. It was $5, full price there. I needed something like this. We found, my wife has some swimsuits she got out of one of those garage sale things, garage sale leftover pickups we did, and they're brand new with tags, and so that's what that's for. I don't sell a whole lot of clothes, so I don't really have any kind of forms. Also got this hat. It's Mitchell and Ness, has the bull symbol on it. It looks brand new also. They put their own tags there. It was $2.50, and I paid full price for it. It's a little high for a hat, but I've never seen one like that. Bull stuff's pretty good still sometimes. And I got one more thing. Hold on. And these are the last two things I got. They are Ionic Breeze Quadra Air Purifier, and they were $15 each, but the yellow tags today were 75% off. And I had a couple of cards from when I used to go there more often, and they just got rid of their, it's like a punch card system. They just got rid of their punch card system, or they're fixing to get rid of their punch card system. So I had 1.5 cards. One card made you get $10 off. You got to fill the card up to get that $10 off. But she went ahead and gave me 1.5 card discount. My total after all the discounts was $15.75 minus the $15 for the 2 cards. So I paid a total of 81 cents today for all this stuff. Not a whole lot of stuff today, but nice little outing. The first one I dropped off about 4 boxes of stuff and 2 bags of clothes that I needed to get rid of, so I was going that way anyway. But yeah, so that's everything from today. Try to get some of this stuff listed. These Ionic Breeze purifiers, look those up. Those do pretty good, it looks like. Everything else I think I'll do all right on. So hope you learned something, hope you enjoyed it. Give me a like, subscribe, do all that stuff, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.